open. I don't know why, maybe because it's been like not on the sun. So I just left it there so like I said, well, yes, we can put it on. Meanwhile, I got this little side skirts, so we're gonna throw that on too. Alright, so I saw we was gonna have I ran out of fucking tape because I thought I was gonna make it, but I ran out of halfway, so I might go. I'm just gonna put this together. You can see how they look and just show you guys. So literally on top, 3 pieces. You can tell this is the end because this one has that on both sides, as you guys can see. So yeah, and it has just a little bag of screws, which I don't know what it means. Literally, you can see the little ones, which are most likely for that, and then the big ones are for drilling into your car. They have that little sacking, so yeah. So yeah, look, literally 6 bolts that hold it together. That come with the thing. Oh shit. How it looks. Alright, so I already made both of these, so I'm gonna try to put on the lip, and if it works, I'm gonna go get some fucking tape so I can finish putting that and then throw everything in the car. So I finally got this side to fucking line up like that. But this side, it's a little bit out, but I can push it. I'm gonna drill that side first, and then I'm gonna come back to this side because I feel like I can push this one better than that side. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so I wasn't gonna show this, but fucking side skirts were a little bit too big. I already installed one, but I did that because I need help on this shit and there was nobody home. I just got here, so I'm gonna ask them to help me screw this shit in. I installed one of these, but look at that. And do the same shit to the other side, and then I'll put the wing on and everything should be on. Alright, so for this, to install this is literally just that, screws, this, just make sure you're whatever you want to do, and then just, yeah, probably that's what I'm basically doing. I don't know, we'll see right now. I'm gonna throw the wing. I don't know if I show you guys the wing, but I'm gonna throw it on right now because I really want to see this thing with the wing on. is almost here, so we're gonna fucking screw this shit in.
On, idiot. On.
In, fool.
On.
In. Oh, it's in. So this is another spot that I know. Wish I could show you guys the car, but I want to see it first myself, because look at that. Tell me that does not look mean as fuck. This is a new body kit, I guess, for the car, because it's a lip, the side skirts and the wings. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, yes sir.